Take a look at this graph. This shows the expected survival after diagnosis for different types of cancer. And brain is right down here. Same thing happens with other disorders like dementia, movement disorders like Parkinson, or recovery after having a stroke. So what makes our brains so hard to reach? I'm glad you asked.
What if I told you it is not because we don't have the right drugs to treat these disorders, but because we cannot get them into the brain? This is because of something called the blood-brain barrier. Those tiny vessels found in our brains are extremely good at keeping everything, including drugs, outside.
Those little blood vessels make sure that they're so tightly packed together that nothing passes. This startup, Gate the Brain, have created small peptide. It's essentially a protein. And it needs to be small because, believe me, you're not getting anything big through the brain. And on the protein, they can attach a certain receptor which will be attracted to only specific parts of our blood vessels found in the brain. On that little protein, we can practically attach our drug, sort of like a little cart on the back of a car, and make sure that it's transferred into the brain. They're currently trying to see if this technology can be used in pediatric forms of brain cancers. If this trial goes well, we can potentially use the technology across many other brain disorders.